Alright, in this video we will show you how to get on this boat which goes to Tenerife now and what is the procedure. But there is a couple of interesting facts. There gonna be a personnel which in the same color of as my jacket, which you will give it. You will give him your ID or passport, and then they will tell you where to go. Usually, the motorcycles are going first, so you can skip all the cars and go in up front. And then you're going up to the boat. Be careful because sometimes it's quite slippery there. There's going to be other guys or girls in the same kind of like colorful jacket as mine, and they will tell you where to park the motorcycle. You park the bike, you lock all the handlebars, and you put the gear, first gear, and they will take care of the mounting the motorcycle with some stripes, so that the bike is safe. And then you're just going up to the deck and enjoy the rest of the trip. If you are sick on the boat like me, I recommend highly to take a pill, because sometimes the sea, it's not your best friend. Anyway, we will be on the boat 80 minutes from this to West Coast Agate in Gran Canaria, and we are going to Santa Cruz de Tenerife. So enjoy the ride, and I will see you in Santa Cruz. Okay, so we are now in Santa Cruz de Tenerife. Now we have to unhook the bike. It's quite simple, you just go here. Be careful with the fingers, and you just do it by yourself. Nobody's coming to help you here, so you have to do it by yourself, but I just put the strap from the bike, and that's it. Then we're gonna